Hi class, this is a short video instructing you how to quote secondary sources. So in this article that you're going to read, Millennials, the Me generation, you will notice that the author, Joel Stein, has called on a lot of different experts in order to support his claims about millennials. So that can get a little bit tricky when you're trying to use someone besides the author as the source for your evidence. So when you read the article, you will see a lot of this. I have selected one quote that Joel Stein uses from Sean Lyons. And the quote is, "This generation has the highest likelihood of having unmet expectations with respect to their careers and the lowest levels of satisfaction with their careers at the stage that they're at." And then it goes on, "It is sort of a crisis of unmet expectations." So if I wanted to integrate that evidence into my summary, this is how I would do it. Okay, so first I'm going to use a signal phrase. Now, if I just put Sean Lyons and the reader is reading your summary of Joel Stein, that is going to be really confusing unless you explain who Sean Lyons is. So watch what I'm going to do. I'm going to add something like, the author references Sean Lyons, and then I'm going to go ahead and give the reader his credentials. Okay? Without giving the reader credentials, it seems like Sean Lyons is just some bum off the street. We have no idea who he is, and so his credibility isn't established. If I tell you his title or his credentials, then it makes him much more of a credible source. Okay, so watch what I'm going to do. The author references Sean Lyons, then I go ahead, get his credential, who says, now I'm going to start my direct quote. I'm lazy, so I'm going to copy and paste. Then decide, if there's part of this that you don't want to keep, you could always use an ellipsis to take out unneeded words. Like if I wanted to take this out, okay, if I didn't want all that, I could take it out, and I'm going to do ellipsis. But be careful, because when you use an ellipsis, the sentence still has to make sense when it's read straight out. So even though I took that out, this generation has the highest likelihood of having unmet expectations with their careers at the stage that they're at. It still makes sense. So I'm good. Okay? I don't want to take it out, actually, so I'm going to get rid of that. All right. Then, the tricky part. When you get to your citation, okay, you have to let the reader know that Sean Lyons said it, but Joel Stein is the author of the article where you have read it. Okay, so here's my citation. I'm going to do the abbreviation quoted in Stein. Okay, now because this source does not have a page number, I'm not going to put a page number there. Okay, it's just going to say quoted in Stein. Now, if I came back up here and I used Joel Stein's name, or just Stein, then I don't need this citation. Because normally I would put like a page number there, but if there are no page numbers, I can't put anything. Okay, so I'm just going to leave it that way. All right, I hope you understand this. Please email me with any questions that you may have.